Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name's Jen and I am a self-taught nail enthusiast. Today I'll be working with Nail Reserve LA. If you have never heard of them, they are the sister company of Madam Glam, and I happen to have a 50% off coupon code, so you're getting the same quality for half the price. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so I figured we'll start by just showing you the colors that I got. They actually ended up sending me like 2 extras that I didn't pick out, which I think is super sweet of them. So I went for sort of like spring colors, even though it's like almost summer, but I picked these out a while ago, unfortunately. And I'm so sorry for missing the last couple weeks. I was like so sick, and you could probably still hear it in my voice, and I'm still kind of like phlegmy, so I apologize. But the first color that we are looking at is called Lilac Madness, and it is this beautiful lilac color. Ugh, I just love purple. That's like my favorite color, if you didn't know that. All shades of purple. I just think they're all beautiful. Okay, next is Ambrosia. I'm a little like upset. Oh no, actually this is the one that, this looks the way it is. It's like a beautiful sort of like milky yellow color. And why are you focusing on my tattoo right now, my friend? It's beautiful milky yellow color. So pretty. I don't know why, but I've been like really obsessed with this color this year. Okay, next is Marry Me, which is a pretty little baby pink. I will say some of the colors, a couple of them that I picked out, don't exactly look like the color that was on the website, which is kind of upsetting. For instance, this one, it's called Winter is Coming, and I was expecting it to be this really pretty light blue, and it's more on like the gray scale. Still a beautiful color, but I just don't think it's gonna work for me today. I was kind of looking for like a rainbow shades to go together, but it's still a beautiful color. Ooh, and I'll definitely probably use it in the winter time, just not for this nail look today. The next one is Immortal. I don't know why I said Immortal, and it's this pretty little peachy orange color. Gorgeous. Perfect for today. Today I'm gonna do like a flowery French nail. It's pretty typical spring nail look, but I think they're really pretty. And the next one, Happy Birthday. Gorgeous mint green or turquoise. Beautiful. Love this color too. And last but not least is Sugar Magnolia. Now, if you are from the South, specifically South Carolina, which is where I'm from, magnolia trees, they are my favorite. They're so beautiful. So this almost has like a peachy tint to it too. It's more like leaning towards peach than orange, but still very beautiful. I hate describing colors. I'm like the worst at it. I don't know how people do this. But anyways, moving along, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some of these Beetles nails. I'm actually not going to super prep my nails. I'm hoping I could do like a little pop-off method. I have that Modelone's nail strengthener. Sorry, my brain just farted out for a second. So I have the Modelone's nail strengthener on right now, and I'm hoping I could just kind of do like a little pop-off method here with these. I don't want them to last like super long, so I'm literally just gonna push my cuticles back and then put the nails on. I don't want to do any crazy prep today, so I hope you guys will forgive me if my nails don't look perfect. All right, I'm just going to grab my cuticle pusher real quick, and I'm gonna do that off camera. Okie dokie, artichokes, I'm back. I'm not gonna do any prep with these nails. I really am hoping that they'll just pop off for me. So I'm just using the Five Angeles gel right now because that's the only one I happen to have in front of me. I hope that's okay with you guys. So I'm gonna speed through this real quick and get these nails on. Woo. Okay, so went ahead and just cleaned up my cuticle area so the nails look nice and right. I'm actually going to keep the French on here. I was contemplating covering it up with a different nude, but I think drawing the flowers on top of the French will be really, really pretty. So in addition to the colors that I had, I also had Tiger Balm from a previous time, and I went ahead and added that because I felt like I was missing a pink. I don't actually think I'm going to use these 2 colors, maybe as like the center of the flower. We'll see, but I think I'm going to stick with like maybe these 5 colors for now. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to actually use a dotting tool. I think it's a little easier to do it that way. So I'm going to start with the center And I kind of want to go like right here. All right, perfection. Let's make her a little bit bigger. Okay, and then I'll go in to the blue to make the first dots for the petal. And I'm gonna kind of like pull from the dot. So, oh, this one's not as big as it looks, you know? But anyways, that's okay. Hope you guys can see, sorry. Okay, and do the other one just like that. And when I like to pull, I do like to get a little bit of color on my brush. I think it just makes it easier, and I don't know, just for me it glides better that way. So here we go. Let's try not to mess this up. I feel like I need to rest my hand on something because I'm shaking so bad. Okay, that looks perfect. And I'm just gonna give a little flash cure. So cute. I love flowers. Okay, little flash cure, just for like a couple seconds. And I'm just gonna keep doing that like on all of my fingers. So I'm gonna do like a couple flowers on each finger, so. All right, let's go. I think I want the center of this one. Ooh, I want the center of this one to be orange. So I'm gonna pick up the orange and I'm gonna go right here. And I might add more petals around the flowers depending on like, you know, how they look, but so far, so good. I think that I need to make this guy a little bit like over here, you know, a little closer to the other ones. And then we can kind of fix his little teardrop. There we go. So precious. So cute. All right. Flash cure. And I'll be back. Okay. So this is what I've got so far. I think it's really cute. I might add one more like on this side. I think it's really precious, and I like that I kept the French and didn't get rid of that. I think it actually looks cute together. So I'm just going to continue on with you guys and kind of tell you what I've been up to, which has been a whole lot of nothing. I've just been really sick lately. It sucked. But I'm happy to be feeling better and to be back to creating content for you guys. I hate getting sick and I hate not being able to come out with videos. It really stinks. And it also, like, my kids are so busy too, so it's like when I miss a week, like, it's just really hard to play catch up. So that does not help. Also, I have noticed flash cure, flash cure, flash cure. Like, even just for a second, every little thing, every little dot, every little line, whatever it is, you must flash cure. For me, I'm just a clumsy like artist, so I have to flash cure things. So let's see, I really want to go for the yellow. I haven't done any of the yellow flowers yet, so let's do one of those cutie pies. And let's start that one there. Let's do a little one here, a little one over there, and maybe some down here. So far, let's just stick with the 3, and let's bring it down. So you do kind of have to shape these into sort of a teardrop. I notice if I kind of pull down and then sort of just like let it sit for a second, it will almost kind of do it on its own. Sometimes the gel wants to flow where the gel is, so if you kind of just let it hang out a bit, it will kind of do its own thing. But I do like to coax it a little bit, you know what I mean? Like, I don't got all day here, so let's just get where we need to get. Okay, I'm gonna flash cure that, and then I'm definitely gonna add a couple more around the side. It's such a cute and easy nail look, you know what I mean? Like, you can just kind of do random stuff. You could even have like falling petals if you wanted. I sort of like the whole flower idea, so I'm kind of sticking with that. But like, ugh, such an easy thing to do. I got rid of the paint because I wanted it to stay focused where my finger is, so I just have it off to the side. So anyways, I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what you guys want to see. I just feel like sometimes I just want to make sure that I am keeping up with, you know, what you guys are interested in. And sometimes it's hard because obviously I work with, you know, a lot of companies, so I get a lot of PR, so it's kind of hard sometimes to, like, I don't know, keep up with the trends, but also, you know, keeping up with my work as well. So I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments what kind of videos you are interested in lately and what kind of stuff you want to see going forward. We've got all summer, and summer can kind of be a little bit uninspiring. It's like there's only so many designs you can do for the summertime, in my opinion. So many beach and, you know, mermaid looks, and I don't know, it kind of like, I feel like that stuff kind of gets old. So I really do want to know what kind of stuff you guys are looking for. I would love to hear from you, so let me know. As far as my life, because I know a lot of you have been here from the beginning, so you know my situation. If you're new here, I actually had a tumor in my back that caused a lot of issues, so I'm going to be starting up physical therapy again very soon. I just really need to. I need to, like, build that strength back up in my body. If I don't, I'm afraid to know what will happen if I don't, so I don't even want to think about it. But yeah, I really need to start doing that again. I think I need to use a different color here. Let's go for orange. So anyways, and then I'm gonna go see my regular doctor, my GP, possibly about starting, like, a weight loss medication. I know, very cliche, I guess. I don't know, but I take a lot of meds that cause me to gain weight, and it's really, really difficult to lose weight when you're on medications like that. Especially, like, lately, I've just not had the energy to do anything, and it really stinks. I'm sorry, I am getting a little upset about it because it's just hard. It's hard, like, being disabled, because the last thing that you want to do is like make yourself hurt again, I guess, when you're already in so much pain as it is on a daily basis. And a lot of people can't understand that, you know. They'll be like, well, why don't you just work out? It's like, well, first of all, I'm limited in what I can actually do because of, you know, all the, like, reconstructive surgery that I've had done, and it hurts. Like, it sucks to work out. When I work out, I literally cannot walk for, like, the next few days, you know what I mean? I went to my son's field day last week, and the next 3 days I was in, like, excruciating pain. But yeah, it's hard. So I'm hoping that something like that can help me. I don't know, we'll see. I was, like, really not a fan of it because I have heard, like, some side effects. I've also heard some people, like, it didn't really work for them. You know, it doesn't work for everybody, those medications. So I don't know. I'm gonna talk to my doctor. He's a really cool guy. Like, really, honestly, I trust that guy with my life. So, you know, we'll see what he says, and if he thinks it's a good idea, then I'll stick with it. So that's what I've done on this finger. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the pinky off camera. I just wanted to kind of chat with you guys. I feel like I haven't had, like, a get to know you chat for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the pinky, and then I'll be back. I don't know if I'm gonna add any bling to this. I don't really think it needs it, to be honest with you. I think the flowers are the bling. I may just add one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add one more right over here. Let me just do that real quick. Why not? We're here. Let's get it over with. I'm gonna shut up though and get it done, okay? Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and top coat these babies. I'm done. They're so cute. Look at the thumb. Adorable. So I did already top coat like these two on my thumb, but I'm gonna do it again because I did add one to the index, one more to my thumb. Just gotta make them nice and cute. But let's start with these guys first. They are just gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I really hate, though, I don't know if this happens to you guys, but I notice when I use a dotting tool, I always get, like, air bubbles sometimes. and that drives me insane. I hate little air bubbles in my artwork, but for whatever reason, when I use a dotting tool, that just seems to be like par of the course. But anyways, I'm gonna finish up top coating. I know, it's the best part, so watch and enjoy. Aww. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. All right, so this is the final look. I am in love. It's so precious. I think it's very cute. Lovely spring, even summer nail look. I love the fact that I kept the French on here. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I do like it. I like it very much. I think it's quite pretty. So thank you so much, Nail Reserve LA. Haven't worked with them in a while, but I always enjoy their gel polish. It is amazing quality. Honestly, like super full coverage. I am gonna do some swatches for Instagram, so if you want to see that, go check me out. My Instagram is Luxe Nails by Jen, and I'll probably post the video on TikTok as well. Same name, Luxe Nails by Jen, on all my socials. So that's where you can find me there. If you want to purchase from Nail Reserve LA, use my code BYJEN and you can save yourself 50% off. Obviously that includes things like bundles, because those are already like super heavily discounted anyways, so just keep that in mind when you're shopping on their website. But I highly recommend their gel polish. I really do. Like I said, they're a sister company of Madam Glam, so if you are a fan of Madam Glam, then go ahead and like check them out. Give them a chance. They really have amazing gel polish. I've done quite a few videos with them, so you can also check those out on my page. And stay tuned next week, because I am going to be working with probably one of the most beautiful kits that I have ever received from any company. Sorry, but the packaging is really breathtaking. So stay tuned next week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.